The world of French cuisine is a symphony of flavors, a harmonious blend of tradition, technique, and passion. Hello, and welcome to the Culinary Companion. At its heart lies a collection of foundational sauces known as the mother sauces, each one a masterpiece in its own right. Among these culinary cornerstones stands Espagnole sauce, a rich brown sauce renowned for its depth of flavor and versatility. This sauce is a testament to the artistry of French cooking. This sauce, with its roots deep in classic French culinary tradition, is more than just a condiment. It's a symbol of the transformative power of slow cooking and the magic of combining simple ingredients with care and precision. The process of making Espagnole sauce is a journey in itself. It's about patience, attention to detail, and the joy of watching simple ingredients transform into something extraordinary. Imagine the aroma of caramelized mirepoix, a mixture of onions, carrots, and celery, slowly cooking to perfection. The earthy fragrance of fresh herbs like thyme and bay leaves, adding layers of complexity to the sauce. And the deep savory notes of a well-developed stock, simmering gently to extract every bit of flavor. All these elements come together, simmering and melding to create a sauce so profound in flavor that it elevates any dish it graces. This, my friends, is the allure of Espagnole sauce. It's a culinary gem that adds depth and richness to a variety of dishes, from meats to vegetables. It's a culinary adventure that beckons both seasoned chefs and eager home cooks to embark on a journey of flavor exploration. Whether you're in a professional kitchen or cooking at home, mastering this sauce is a rewarding experience. Mastering Espagnole sauce is a rite of passage for any aspiring culinary artist. It's about understanding the nuances of flavor development and the techniques that have been passed down through generations. It's about understanding the nuances of flavor development, the balance of ingredients, and the importance of seasoning. Each step in the process is crucial to achieving the perfect sauce. The patience required for slow cooking cannot be overstated. It's a slow, deliberate process that allows the flavors to develop and intensify, resulting in a sauce that is rich and complex. And the sheer joy of transforming humble ingredients into something truly extraordinary is what makes cooking such a fulfilling art. From the chopping of vegetables to the final reduction, every step is a part of the journey. In this exploration of Espagnole sauce, we will delve into the heart of this classic French sauce, uncovering its secrets and guiding you step by step towards creating a sauce that will make your taste buds sing. We'll explore the history, the ingredients, and the techniques that make Espagnole sauce a cornerstone of French cuisine. From the selection of the best ingredients to the final presentation, every detail matters. So, tie on your aprons, my friends, and prepare your kitchen for a culinary adventure. Gather your ingredients, sharpen your knives, and get ready to create something truly special. Let us begin this delicious adventure together. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just for yourself, the journey of making Espagnole sauce is one that will enrich your culinary skills and delight your senses. We're about to unlock the secrets of Espagnole sauce, a culinary legacy that has graced tables and delighted palates for generations. Join us as we explore the techniques and traditions that make this sauce a timeless classic. A culinary legacy that has graced tables and delighted palates for generations. From the grand dining rooms of historic France to modern kitchens around the world, Espagnole sauce continues to be a symbol of culinary excellence and tradition. Before we embark on our culinary journey to create the perfect Espagnole sauce, we must first gather our ingredients. This step is crucial, as having everything prepared and within reach will make the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. Much like an artist meticulously arranges their palette, we too must assemble the components that will come together to form this masterpiece of flavor. Each ingredient has its own unique role to play, contributing to the overall harmony of the sauce. For this symphony of taste, you will need butter. The richness of butter will lend a velvety smoothness to our sauce. It acts as the base for our roux, which is essential for thickening the sauce. All-purpose flour. Our trusty thickener flour will give the sauce its luxurious body. When combined with butter, it forms a roux that will help to create a smooth and creamy texture. Tomato puree. A touch of sweetness and a vibrant hue will come from the tomato puree. It adds a subtle acidity that balances the richness of the sauce. Mirepoix. This classic trio of finely diced carrots, celery, and onions forms the aromatic foundation of our sauce. The mirepoix provides a depth of flavor that is both savory and slightly sweet. Garlic. A hint of pungency from minced garlic will add another layer of complexity. Garlic's robust flavor will enhance the overall taste profile of the sauce. Fresh thyme. The earthy aroma of thyme will infuse the sauce with a hint of herbal fragrance. Thyme's subtle flavor will complement the other ingredients without overpowering them. Bay leaf. A single bay leaf will contribute a subtle woodsy note to the sauce. It adds a layer of complexity that enhances the overall flavor. Brown stock. The soul of our sauce, a rich and flavorful brown stock, will provide depth and savoriness. The stock is made from roasted bones and vegetables, giving it a robust flavor that is essential for the sauce. Salt and pepper. Our trusty seasonings, salt and pepper, will enhance and balance all the flavors. These simple yet essential ingredients bring out the best in each component of the sauce. With these essential ingredients assembled, we are ready to begin our culinary adventure. Each ingredient has been carefully chosen to contribute to the final product. The preparation and organization of these ingredients are key to a successful cooking experience. By having everything ready, we can focus on the cooking process and ensure that each step is executed perfectly. Each component plays a crucial role in the orchestration of flavors that will define our Espagnole sauce. From the richness of the butter to the aromatic foundation of the mirepoix, every ingredient is essential in creating a sauce that is both complex and harmonious. Now, let's get started on this culinary journey and bring these ingredients to life in our kitchen. Our journey into the heart of Espagnole sauce begins with the creation of a roux, the foundational element that will give our sauce its structure and velvety texture. This simple yet crucial step sets the stage for the symphony of flavors that will unfold. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. As the butter gently melts, it will transform into a shimmering pool, ready to embrace the flour. Now sprinkle in the flour, gradually whisking it into the melted butter. The key here is to ensure that the flour and butter are intimately combined, forming a smooth and lump-free paste. This, my friends, is our roux, the backbone of our Espagnole sauce. The color of the roux will determine the final shade and flavor of our sauce. For Espagnole, we aim for a rich reddish-brown roux, which will impart a deep nutty flavor to the final sauce. Continue to cook the roux over medium heat, whisking constantly to prevent burning. The aroma of toasted flour will fill your kitchen, a sure sign that the roux is developing its characteristic nutty flavor. This is where patience is key. It takes time for the roux to reach its full flavor potential. Section 4. Building flavor. Incorporating the tomato puree and aromatic vegetables. With our roux beautifully browned and smelling divine, it's time to introduce the next layer of flavor, the tomato puree and our aromatic trio of vegetables. This is where the magic truly begins, as each ingredient plays a crucial role in developing the sauce's signature taste. This step will begin to build the complexity and depth that define Espagnole sauce. The tomato puree not only adds a rich, vibrant color, but also contributes a subtle sweetness and acidity that balances the flavors. First, stir in the tomato puree, allowing it to meld with the roux for a minute or two. This melding process is essential, as it allows the flavors to integrate seamlessly, creating a harmonious base for the sauce. This will enhance the color of the sauce and add a subtle sweetness. The deep red hue is a visual cue of the sauce's richness and depth, promising a flavorful experience. Now, introduce the mirepoix, the diced carrots, celery and onions, to the pan. These vegetables are the unsung heroes of many classic sauces, providing a foundation of flavor that is both robust and nuanced. As the vegetables hit the hot roux, your kitchen will fill with a savory aroma, signaling the beginning of a beautiful culinary transformation. The sizzle and steam are indicators that the vegetables are starting to release their natural flavors. Stir the vegetables frequently, ensuring they are evenly coated in the roux. This even coating is crucial as it helps the vegetables cook uniformly, allowing each piece to contribute to the overall flavor profile. This will help them release their natural sweetness and add depth of flavor to the sauce. The caramelization of the vegetables as they cook will bring out their inherent sugars, adding a layer of complexity to the sauce. As the vegetables soften, they'll create a symphony of flavors that will mingle with the roux, creating a base that's both rich and aromatic. This process is slow and deliberate, ensuring that every ingredient has time to impart its essence into the sauce. Next, add the minced garlic, thyme sprigs, and bay leaf to the pan. These aromatics are the final touch, adding layers of flavor that will elevate the sauce to new heights. The garlic will release its pungent aroma, adding another dimension of flavor to the sauce. As it sautés, the garlic will mellow, becoming sweet and nutty, which complements the other ingredients perfectly. The thyme and bay leaf will infuse the sauce with their earthy and herbal notes, further enhancing its complexity. These herbs are not just for flavor, they also add a subtle fragrance that makes the sauce irresistible. Allow the sauce to simmer gently, giving the herbs time to release their oils and meld with the other ingredients, creating a sauce that is truly greater than the sum of its parts. Section 5. The essence of flavor. Adding the brown stock. The stage is set, our roux and aromatics are beautifully combined, and now we come to the heart and soul of our Espagnole sauce, the brown stock. This is where the magic truly happens, as the stock will breathe life into our sauce, transforming it into a symphony of flavor. Gradually whisk in the brown stock, ensuring that each addition is fully incorporated before adding more. The key here is to avoid any lumps from forming. A smooth and velvety texture is what we are striving for. As the stock simmers with the roux and vegetables, it will begin to thicken, coating the back of a spoon. This is a sign that the sauce is developing its luxurious body and texture. The aroma in your kitchen will be intoxicating, a tantalizing preview of the culinary masterpiece that awaits. The brown stock, with its rich savory depth, will meld with the caramelized vegetables and aromatic herbs, creating a flavor profile that is simply unparalleled. This is the essence of Espagnole sauce, a testament to the transformative power of slow cooking and the magic of combining simple ingredients with care and precision. And please, like, subscribe and ring the bell.